Hi everyone, so let's discuss about the measure point under DMAIC approach, and we have already discussed some of its points. So this is under measure only. So we're discussing about description of DO, that is nothing, but it includes description of defects, defectives, units and opportunities for error. So one by one we'll be discussing about all these three terms. So error, what do you mean by error? Two errors are present in a form. I'm giving you the example. Suppose we have a form. It includes 5 parameters. If there are 3 units are defected, right? This is 3 parameters are defected. That means this is an error. And if these 3 are more than 3 is there, the error in 1 unit is nothing, but it's a form. One form is equal to 1 unit. So if it is more than 3, then it will be considered as a defected unit as a whole lot. So defect is nothing. If more than 3 parameters are not updated correctly, then it is a defective form. So unit is nothing but 1, it is a form. Then defective is a unit that has defects. So this is a defective. Defects per million opportunity. So this is nothing but it includes number of defects that would arise given in a million opportunity. See, we got million opportunities and how many defects have been raised on that particular point. So that it includes. So opportunities for error. What are the opportunity for error for this particular form? 5. We have the opportunities for 5 errors. But here, this is the example I've taken. It includes only 3 errors. So this is a fine unit, you can say. But if it's more than 3, then the whole unit is a defective unit. Another point if I'm talking about is that identifying the capability of your process. So we have this form and we need to check the capability of the process. So capability of the process, we need to calculate it. Numerics will be there. So we have 2 methods. DPMO method, which includes the formula. It includes DPMO and DPO method. So DPO method we'll be talking about first. It includes defects over opportunity for error into number of units. Total number of defects, number of units, opportunity for error per unit, defects per opportunity. Right? Step 2 includes compute DPMO. So after finding this out, we'll be having DPMO method where we compute defects per million opportunities. DPMO method is nothing but the value which we are getting from here. We need to just multiply it from 1 million. Step 3. Look up DPMO in a sigma conversion table. So we actually have a sigma conversion table. If you can search for it, you will finally get it on Google itself. So where we'll be getting the suppose we are getting the number which is coming under some concept or the table. For example, if I'm talking about this, let's take about this example. Here example is 990 tickets monitor, T-monitor 990 tickets, 5 parameters to be monitor. Right? See, we have 5 parameters here and we have 5 parameters here also. They found number of defects again each parameter. So all the defects are there in each parameter. So what is the sigma level? Let's discuss about it. So number of units will be 990, opportunity for error 5, number of defects 500, right? DPO will be D over opportunity for error into units. So this is the number. We have to just multiply it with this. Sigma level of the process in table. So what comes under the table? That is 1 lakh or something. Yeah, it's 1,01,000. So it comes under 2.8. So higher the number of sigma, it's a less deviation. If lesser number of sigma will be there, lesser as in it can be 0.1, 0.2, 1.1, 1.5. That is the lesser. As it increases, that means there is a variation and there is a improvement happening. So this is what it is, 2.8. So this is a stable sort of process, I can say. But if it is 4.5 or 5.5, then it is a more stable process. So I am hoping this is clear to you now.